Let's enter Python Booleans. First discuss Booleans represents one of two values, either true or false. Boolean Boolean values. In, in programming, you often need to know if any expression is true or false. You can evaluate any expression in Python and get one of two answers, either true or false. I will show you example. Evaluate values and variables. The bool function allows you to evaluate any value and give you true or true or false in return. I will show you example. This is my ideally print of bool function, bool of string hello, close bracket, enter true. Next example, print of bool function can be used of 15. This is integer, enter true. This is the output, true. This is the output. This is the string function. This is the string. This is bool function. This is integer. This is output, true. That's it.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.